In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design movie posters in Canva. If you've always wanted to create a striking and professional-looking movie poster, whether it's for a project, a school assignment, or a personal endeavor, you've come to the right place. And the best part? We'll achieve this in just 5 minutes. So grab a seat, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, you need to open Canva on your device. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it's easy to set up, and there's a free version available that includes lots of features you'll find useful for our task today. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design. Click on the Create a Design button and choose Poster from the available options. This sets up a perfect canvas size for a standard movie poster. Now you have the choice to start from a blank canvas or select a template. Canva offers a wide range of poster templates that can give you a head start if inspiration is running low. You can explore these templates and pick one that aligns with the theme of your movie, or start from scratch if you're feeling creative. The backbone of your poster will be the background. You can opt for a high-quality image or a gradient background that reflects the mood of your movie. If it's a horror movie, a dark, moody background might suit. For something lighthearted, bright pastels could be just right. Once your backdrop is set, head over to the text section. This is where you'll craft your movie's title. Use large, bold typography to ensure the title is eye-catching and legible from a distance. Think about the fonts you've seen on movie posters that struck you, and try to emulate that impactful style. Now let's bring some life onto the poster by using the Elements option to add imagery and characters. You could look up specific elements related to your movie or create a collage of images that convey the theme and atmosphere of your film. If you have photos of actors or objects that need a personal touch, make use of Canva's background remover feature. This tool is excellent for cutting out images cleanly, allowing them to stand out against the poster's background without any unwanted edges. Don't forget to add important details such as the release date and any related website or social media handles. These small details are crucial for ensuring your audience knows when and where they can engage with your movie. Lastly, ensure your poster is visually balanced. Check for contrast and readability. Make sure all the elements work harmoniously together to create a polished, cohesive look. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save your piece of art. Click on Share, and you can download your poster as either a PDF or PNG file, depending on what you need. And there you have it, a fantastic movie poster created in Canva in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.